Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about my GMC Sierra, about 6-inch rough country lift kit. I inspected this truck today, inspected this lift today, and find some problem, some crack on rear bracket for axle. I show you now. I just lift it up and take out this bracket and show you what's the problem with it.
So as you can see, the one mistake the factory made was, instead of welding these corners, they bent them to the right shape, which caused micro fractures in the metal and leads eventually to these cracks right here. Yeah, for the gearbox bracket. As you can see, right here it's starting to, right here, and right here.
Yeah, we have warranty, but they send me same thing, same problem. I think so. I just welded, fix myself. That's it. You see, it's not good. I think so. I fix other one from metal like that. It's more strong. Okay guys, look, you see how it was before, and now what I do, I cut off this from here metal, this original, from original I just take both sides and I change this metal. It's 2 times size more than this one. Right now it's really strong. Okay, now you can see, if you pull back this bracket, it's shake it like that. You see, side by side, because it's here metal, or right there is more I don't know how to say it, like stomach play, because under this frame is have it metal piece, on top it doesn't have it. It's going like at top one is going like here. That's why this metal shake it. What I want to do, just hit back, do straight, and take it this bracket, and more what I do couple bolts by side, every side. Now I did more drill for 2 bolts on top. Everything's good. Now it's really perfect. Just needed paint and put it back. That's it. Otherwise, with this lift, when you buy this lift, it's, you see bracket right here on the left side. You need to cut it off because your axle is going down, and then you cut it off this bracket if you install same lift. Okay guys, about this lift. This lift is that's track 84. This lift sold like 4 inches. Originally this lift is 6 inches. Right here and right here 6 inches. Original 6 inches. What's the difference? Why they said 4 inches? Because it's original shocks is more have its longer 2 inches, and rear it's originally 2 inches spaces between axle and bracket. That's why they say 4 inches. Original this 6 inches. right here is because shocks is have it 2 inches longer. This bracket have 4 inches, you know, that's the difference. Rims, this one is 17, but you see how close T-rod bracket to tires. It's really close. I see BDS lift, they have these brackets. It looks like shortly, and I think those is easy put 17 rims. This tire is 12 and a half, 35, 12 and a half, and its rim have it minus 18 offset, and it should be really close. It's when you put 35 tires, minus 18 offset, it should be a little bit touching. I cut like that. This plastic I little bit cut inside, welded, and move to rear more. And right there is 2 needed cut, little more. Right here I do, you see, bracket 2, right here bracket, and I push my this cover on maximum up front. I not want to touch anything or broke anything. That's it, guys. I will waiting my bracket, painting already little bit dry, and I put it back. That's it. Somebody asked for tire 37. It's fitting or not? It should be. You can. My view, I can more slide forward, maybe 3/4, and after that you need little bit more cutting here, and bumper needed cut 100% for 37. Okay, guys, everything installed back on the frame. Everything's perfect. Looks like nice, beautiful. Okay, guys, if you like my video, don't forget press like, subscribe. See you later.